So guys, I have a sharp update for you guys on how you can grow your watch hour to 4,000 as soon as possible. Probably you have been struggling to get this milestone. With this tutorial, I'll reveal to you the new YouTube feature that can help you boost your watch hour to 4,000 as fast as possible. So I believe you're happy about that. So if you're happy, do it to like this video, drop a comment if you go value watching this, and also subscribe to this channel. So I will not be wasting our time. I'll go straight into why we are here by showing you the step right away. So what you do is you need to go to your YouTube studio. Just go to your YouTube studio and go to the content section. So right now I'll take my phone and go to my YouTube studio. So right now I'm on my YouTube studio. So this new feature is the collaborators feature. It's a new feature by YouTube whereby you get to collaborate with other creators, bigger creators than you, and also get to tap from their audience, get to tap from their watch hours. So I'll be showing you how to do that right away. So once you're on your channel content section, just like this, so just select any video you want to work on. So I'll just select this third video that says buy MTN cheap data. So just open the video, like do as if you want to edit this particular video. So right here, I'm in the edit section. So once this opens, what you do next is for you to scroll down to where you have show more. I guess you can see show more down here. So once you click on show more, then you just scroll down to where you find collaboration. I guess you can see that. You can see it right here. It says grow your audience by collaborating with other creators and expand your videos reach to their audience. Invite a collaborator. So just go ahead and click on invite a collaborator. So with this feature, you can actually invite any YouTuber to be a collaborator with you. It could be a small YouTube channel, it could be a big channel, but I will advise you to work with a big channel so that you can reach wide audience, you can reach wider audience. So once this open up for you, right here you can see it says search for a channel. So you want to search for the YouTuber you want to invite to become a collaborator. So I'll be inviting Charles Chinon, so a big YouTuber, so you get to see how it works. So once I click on this, I search for the name, which is Charles. So can you see it has loaded this for me? So I just tap on it to add it. I see that. So right here you can see we have allow analytics viewing and it is turned off. So you can choose to turn this on or turn it off depending on your preference. So if you turn this on, it means that the person that you invited will get to see how the video is performing. The person will get to see the watch hour, the views, the subscribers that the video is getting for you. I'll just leave it this way. So what I want to do right now is just for me to click on create link. So I'll click on create link right here. So you can see the link right here. So I'll just go ahead and copy this link. So once you copy this link, then close it, you can see it means that we have successfully invited Charles Chinon to be a collaborator. As you can see right here, it is saying pending acceptance. Can you see? Pending acceptance. So once this person accepts your invitation, then this will become invitation accepted. Do you understand? So right here, just go ahead and save this. Ensure you save this. So I want to show you how it works. Like I want to show you what the other person will see once they see your invitation. So the link I just copied right now, I'll go to my notepad or my WhatsApp to just paste that link and open it from there so that you get to see how the invitation actually works. Do you understand, guys? So let me just go to my WhatsApp and paste this link. So right here, I'm already on my WhatsApp. So let me just paste the link I copied. So once I paste this link right here, so I'll open this link from here so you get to see what the other person will see as invitation. So I'll just click on open. So you can see you are invited to collaborate. Can you see that? So that is how the person gets to see the invitation also. So and the person can actually click on view channel to view your channel. The person can go through this detail to see if they want to collaborate with you, and eventually they get to accept the collaboration. Do you understand? So once they click on accept, it means that every audience they have will also get to see your video. It means that your video will also be shown to their audience. So you see why it is actually important to work with a bigger channel so they can get to reach a lot of audience. So let me click on accept. So see what it shows next. Let's see what the result looks like. So you can see you are now collaborating with Digital Payroll. Find it under collaborations. So I've successfully accepted the invitation. So I'll just go and use one of my neutral channel to see what this looks like. So let's go to my YouTube. Let me open my YouTube and search for my channel and see what the collaboration looks like. So I'm already on my YouTube, so I'll just search for the channel that sent invitation out. So this is the channel right here. So I'll click on view channel. So once I click on view channel, so you can see the video right here. Can you see? It's already showing two channels right here. So let me open the video so that you get to see what I'm saying. So once I open this video right here, so with this, you get to see two different channels showing up. Can you see? Digital Payroll and Charles Chinonso. So whoever is watching this video can actually get to subscribe to the two channels. So it means the audience of that bigger channel get to see this video and they actually get to subscribe to your channel. And that is basically how you get to like boost your watch hours and subscribers using someone else's audience. So this new feature is exciting. I advise you to go ahead and try it if you're a small YouTuber to actually boost your monetization journey. So just go ahead and try it and let me know how it works for you in the comment section. So if you got value guys, if you actually enjoyed this video, ensure to like this video, drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.